Okay, well, my name is Laz Harris, and we are here on the floor of the 2007 NAMM show, and we're going to be looking at our new Mackie Control Universal Pro. We're calling it it's MCU Pro, C4 Pro, and Extender Pro. And we're also going to be talking about Traction 3. It's probably the most eagerly anticipated release of the software yet. The biggest difference in the Mackie Control Universals, obviously you see a difference in the color scheme. This color scheme is actually one that is high contrast, which means it's really great for reading in lower lights. And the other big difference that's immediately apparent is that instead of the beveled edges that it used to have, all of the edges butt up against each other nice and flush so that it looks like one continuous surface. We also dispensed with the plastic end cap, so now it's a solid metal enclosure from front to back. The other thing, we enlarged and we went from a more of a flat detented jog wheel to a larger weighted one that actually can spin. It feels really nice. It's probably one of my personal favorite improvements on it. What you can't see from the front, but is functionally a really big improvement on the Mackie Control Universals and now the MCU Pro, is the addition of a 4-port USB MIDI interface. So instead of having to use an external, third-party MIDI interface to connect all the units to, you now have one MIDI cable that'll go from the main MCU to your computer, and then the extenders will just daisy chain off the main MCU. And that interface requires no drivers. It's 100% plug and play. Other than that, everything pretty much remains the same. All of the buttons are in the same places. We updated our overlays, so you can still expect the same overlays for different versions of programs such as Sonar, Pro Tools, Cubase, Traction, and of course Logic.